Understanding gift voucher codes, a simple guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of gift voucher codes. Whether you're shopping online or looking for a perfect gift, understanding this term will definitely come in handy. So, let's dive into the world of digital gifting and make sure you're up to speed on how to use these codes effectively. A gift voucher code is essentially a digital key, often a series of letters and numbers, that represents a prepaid amount of money or a specific offer. Think of it as a modern version of a gift card, but instead of a physical card, you receive or give a code. These codes can be used online on various platforms, from e-commerce stores to service providers, allowing the holder to purchase products or services without directly spending their own money. Gift voucher codes are incredibly simple to use. When you receive a code, it comes with instructions on where and how to redeem it. Generally, during the checkout process on a website, you'll find an option to enter a promo code, discount code, or gift voucher code. Upon entering the code, the corresponding value or offer is applied to your purchase. It's a convenient way to shop, gift, and even save money. Gift voucher codes offer multiple advantages. Flexibility. They allow the recipient to choose their own gift, ensuring they get exactly what they want. Convenience. Easy to purchase and send, making them a perfect last-minute gift option. Savings. Often used as part of promotional campaigns, providing discounts that benefit both the giver and the recipient. Gift voucher codes are a fantastic tool in the digital age, blending the convenience of online shopping with the joy of gifting. They remove the guesswork from selecting presents and provide an efficient way to manage expenses. Whether you're a recipient or a giver, understanding how these codes work can enhance your shopping experience. We hope this guide has illuminated the concept of gift voucher codes for you. Happy shopping, and see you in our next video.